Today is 26th of January.
Every year on this day, we are celebrating Republic Day,
also known as Constitution Day.
Today, we are going to tell you the Constitution of India.
Preamble.
The Constitution of India.
Preamble.
We, the people of India,
having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a
sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic,
and to secure to all its citizens
justice, social, economic, and political,
liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship,
equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all
fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation.
In our Constituent Assembly,
this 26th day of November 1949,
do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Dhanyavad.
Jai Hind! If you like our video,
Please thumbs up
ring the bell icon.
and don't forget to subscribe.
Dhanyavad.